Hello everyone, this is Srikanth Rajan from AR Pro and I'm here with our brand new video. Ten reasons why this is the perfect time to buy your new car. With factors like BS4 to BS6 transition and the COVID-19 pandemic, this might be a lifetime opportunity to buy a new car. Let me explain more about it in this video. Reason 1. If you're a businessman, you get 15% additional depreciation. That means a total depreciation of 30% on the very first year of purchase. And this, of course, is a lifetime opportunity. Reason number 2. The government has given a clear instruction that all BS4 vehicles registered now will be operational for its entire 15 years registration validity. And I'm sure 15 years is more than enough until we buy our new vehicle. Reason number 3. Due to the huge investment that goes into building a BS6 engine, most manufacturers will stop giving a diesel engine on a small car like a Swift or a Hyundai i20. It might be available only on cars above the 17 lakh on-road bracket. If you drive a lot per day, a diesel engine still makes sense. For example, if you look at a Swift Dzire petrol 1.2 liter, the claimed fuel efficiency is 19 km per liter of petrol. Whereas a 1.3 liter diesel engine on the same Swift Dzire claims a fuel efficiency of 26 km per liter of diesel. So if you consider a 40 liter full tank, that translates to 280 kilometers per full tank. And that's a substantial amount. Also, it's more fun driving a diesel engine due to the amazing torque available on them. Reason 4. Almost all car manufacturers are throwing in extended warranty with their cars. This means higher peace of mind for your entire ownership period, and not only that, if you're looking for resale, you will have a better resale value due to the extended warranty provided by these companies. Reason 5. Every dealer wants to clear their BS4 stock. Not only that, they cannot sell these cars after this period, but also they are incurring huge interest rates from banks for keeping these cars in stock every day. Reason 6. Due to all these factors that we discussed till now, the discounts are one of the best in the market today. And when the prices of the car is lower, it also means a lower registration charge, a lower insurance cost, and also that translates to a lower down payment and lower EMI on your new car loan. Reason number 7. With the COVID-19 pandemic still evidently visible here and there, it may not be safe traveling with your family in a public transport like a metro or a bus or even a rickshaw or a taxi. If you don't have a car, you better consider buying it now. Reason number 8. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, all car manufacturers had shut their manufacturing division. And now, when they are going to restart after the lockdown, they would prefer going on a lean production mode with maybe just-in-time production. If that happens, the production of cars would be really low and the waiting period on cars might go up. And if waiting period on cars goes up, definitely there will be no discount from any dealer. Reason number 9. Indian government has allowed only 10 days post-lockdown for registration of these BS4 vehicles. In that case, this is the right time to immediately rush to your dealership close by and finalize your car. Factors like finalizing on your new car and also processing a new car loan will take time. So rush immediately. Reason number 10. Most of the proactive dealers have already cleared their BS4 stocks. That means you have very few cars left over with few dealers. Most of the car manufacturing companies also had stopped production of BS4 cars way back in December 2019. So if you want to be lucky to get one of the last few cars left in the market, you should rush to the dealership right now. Or instead of finding a dealer who has a BS4 stock left, all you can do is head on to our website to the link given below in the description and register your requirement. Our dealer partner will connect with you as soon as possible. So that's it for now. Get moving. Your new car is waiting at the car dealership. Until we meet in the next video, I am sure you will have your dream car parked at home. For more such information and latest updates, immediately go down and subscribe to our channel. And of course, do remember to like this video. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. I am sure this could be helpful to someone. Until then, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye.